Since European settlement, the ecological values associated with wetlands have been overshadowed by land productivity and development. For instance, Five Bow and Tuckerbill wetlands located near Leeton in the Riverina of New South Wales are set among a matrix of agricultural, rural residential and residential freehold land. Taylor, Murray and Taylor describe these wetlands as an environment in which people live and make a living. Human uses include grazing, flood mitigation, sewage treatment, recreation and ecotourism. More importantly, human interventions such as regulating the Murrumbidgee River, constructing levee banks and converting the wetland floodplains into irrigated croplands has significantly degraded the wetland's ecological character. Furthermore, other threats include native vegetation loss and changes, water quality, introduced species of weeds and pest animals, climate variation and fire. These factors threaten the survival of important species, including vulnerable and endangered waterbirds. Sustainability of the wetlands is not only vital to the survival of flora and fauna, it is also essential for human well-being. Five Bow and Tuckerbill wetlands help reduce the impacts from storm damage and flooding by naturally absorbing rainfall and preventing harmful and potentially devastating floods. Without this function, large amounts of soil will wash downstream, destroying farmland and food sources. The wetlands also act as highly effective sewage treatment works, breaking down suspended soils and neutralising harmful bacteria. If these important functions are taken away, wetland pollution will ultimately bring about death and disease to human, plant and animal communities. Securing the sustainability of waterbirds at Five Bow and Tuckerbill wetlands has been the main objective since the implementation of management almost 18 years ago. The most significant milestone occurred in 2002 when both sites were successfully nominated as wetlands of international importance. As part of the nomination, the first comprehensive management plan was developed and implemented. Following the Ramsar listing, a considerable amount of literature was written. However, in recent years, it would seem that there has been a decline in interest and awareness. 2014 marked another important milestone with the release of Five Bow and Tuckerbill Wetlands Adaptive Environmental Management Plan. Specific strategies include restoring and maintaining health of native vegetation and the mosaic of habitats, mimicking natural hydrological regimes, and controlling weeds and pest animals. At the foundation of the plan is creating enduring partnerships that will engage active roles and contributions to ongoing management. While government agencies work to regulate the activities that destroy wetlands, many activities go unchecked because of the limited manpower and funding. This is why taking action and living sustainably is vital to the preservation of wetland environments. Support can be provided in many forms, including encouraging and endorsing local laws to protect wetlands, informing and educating others about their value, and participating in programs that help protect and restore wetlands. Environmental initiatives include preventing pet feces, toxic chemicals, fertilisers and motor oil from entering storm drains, using phosphate-free detergents to help reduce the presence of algae, planting only native species of trees, shrubs and flowers to preserve the ecological balance of the local wetlands, and reducing, reusing and recycling household items and waste. Furthermore, being a responsible pet owner by keeping dogs on leashes and placing bells on cats' collars are an important contribution towards protecting native fauna. To provide a personal input, take the opportunity to visit Tuckerbill Wetland and make use of its facilities to conduct your own observations, take records and provide comments.
Created using Powtoon.